Hey everybody, it's Ed with Solomon's Landscape. Sorry about the sun there. Just out here, we're actually doing some Christmas lights. You can see out there behind me. Christmas lights going up. Guy down there just doing some wiring. So one of the things that we do actually, come back here, we'll actually flip. And so one of the things that we do, so this client here actually has a timer that's beside the door, so you can see it behind the statue there. And so that's the only timer we have. So what happens is, well, how do you get power there? Well, this is how we get power there. So you see Dalton here gingerly placing the power cord out, and actually using hot glue to secure that, so that way it's nice and tight to the corner, and this doesn't pose a tripping hazard because, well, it's glued down. And so what we'll have to do, that'll actually come along here at the front, and then it's going to be glued down in this seam underneath the ladder, so there is no tripping hazard. So that way, yes, you'll still see the cord, but it's not going to be a tripping hazard. So that's one of the things that sets us apart from other companies, is the fact that we actually take care to make sure the line and the cords are tucked in as invisible as possible, but at the same time useful and not a tripping hazard. So something to look out for when you get this done. But yeah, just getting that done. We're just wrapping up now, and hope to see you guys again. Thanks.